Hello everyone, welcome back. For those who are new here, I am Umar, the founder of Growth Winner. On this channel, I share my learnings and insights on SEO. This is the fifth video of Link Building the Right Way series. In this video, I'm going to share how to set up accounts and send high volume emails. So, after writing your email sequences, now it's time to send those emails. And the worst thing one can do when it comes to sending emails is either using simple Gmail accounts or using their primary domain email. I don't want you to make the same mistakes that I did, so here are the 4 steps from setting up accounts to sending bulk emails. Step number 1, buying burner domains. Well, why burner domains? This helps in protecting your main domain, and if for any reason this domain gets blacklisted, you don't have to worry about it. Buy another one and resume your work.
Seems pretty cool to me.
Now, what type of domains to buy as burner domains? It should be relevant to your business name. For example, if your original domain is growthwinner.com, the burner domain will be growthwinner.co. Notice the change in TLD. The best way is to change the TLD, but if the TLD is not available for your business name, then add a word or hyphen to get the relevant name. For example, growthwinneragency.com or growth-winner.com. Here are the TLDs that I would recommend. .com if you originally have another TLD such as .ai or .io, .net, .us, .co, .uk, .org, or anything else that seems a legit business name. Here is an example from my friend Nemanja on using .org as TLD. Although his original business domain had .org in it, but you can use the same hack for your burner domain. You can buy these domains from namecheap.com. That's what we use for our process, but if you find any other cheap option, you can go for it. Now, step number 2, buy emails. Well, why should one buy separate email accounts? Just like the domains, if you send emails using your personal mail, it will hurt its reputation. Now, where to buy those emails? We use Google Suite for all the campaigns. Although we have tried Zoho and other email providers, but either their service is bad or their support is very bad.
They're just not worth it.
Once you have purchased the domain and emails, now it's time to set up those accounts. Comment down if you want to get step-by-step complete SOP that we use to set up the emails and domains, and I will pass it over. To name your accounts, preferably use your first name or second name initials. In our example, Umar at growthwinner.co or umar.f at growthwinner.co. Remember, growthwinner.co is the burner domain, not the original one. I normally use the author images as profile photo of email if it's for my niche websites, but if it's for clients, then we take permission to use theirs. The rule of thumb here is to use an image whose profile is on the website as an author or as an owner. This is due to the reason that if the prospect want to verify, they know it's a legit business.
This ain't no scam.
Now, for each burner domain, buy a maximum of 3 emails. For example, if I bought growthwinner.co, I wouldn't set up more than 3 email accounts for this domain. It basically depends on the volume of the emails that you want to send. Calculate this based on the formula that is 50 emails per day for each email accounts. More details on it later in this video. Third step, connect your email accounts. Once the email setup is finished, now it's time to connect them with your preferred email sender. We use instantly.ai to send the emails. This tool is not made for link building campaigns, but it's very effective if we look at it from cold email campaigns perspective. Other alternative tools are Mailshake, Pitchbox, and SalesHandy. We had a good experience working with SalesHandy in the past, but it was expensive back then, and for Pitchbox, it's all-in-one solution from prospecting to finding contact information and sending bulk emails. But you gotta have a deep pockets if you are opting for Pitchbox.
Yeah, I can't afford it.
The reason of choosing Instantly is their support, pricing, and above all, the free warm-up feature. You can warm up as many emails as you want. Also, you can manage all of your inboxes in one place, so you don't have to log in from different email accounts to reply to your prospects. Everything is managed through Unibox. Honestly, Instantly.ai didn't pay me to talk about them in this video.
I'm doing it for free.
But the tool itself is really good. This brings us to our 4th step, that is warming up emails. If you send hundreds of emails per day from a new account, it will be considered as spam and Google will suspend your email account and your domain will be blacklisted. That's why warming up your email accounts is very important. You can also use warmupinbox.com if you are not using instantly.ai and only want to warm up your emails. Another benefit of using instantly.ai is that it manages all the headaches of how many emails and when to send those warm-up emails. You don't have to lift a finger, instantly.ai will do it all. But if you're using any other third-party tool, you can start with 5 emails and increase 5% per day. When we used Sales Handy, they had this functionality to set the percentage of warm-up emails. As a general practice, we do warm-up for 2 weeks before starting the campaign. Fifth step, sending emails. Sending manual emails consumes so much time that you could be spending on other useful SEO activities. That is why we use tools to send emails. Before you start sending your campaign emails, I suggest you to test the spamminess of the email using mailtester.com and make sure to use the same email content that you have written in your email. If you haven't watched the video on writing the emails, check out the link in the description. Well, how many emails should you send per day? We send 50 emails per day from each email account. Now, what is the best time to send the emails? It depends on the location of your prospects, but the rule of thumb here is to send the emails between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. of the prospect's local time. One pro tip here is don't stop sending warm-up emails once the campaign is started, but make sure the warm-up and campaign emails combined should not exceed more than 70 per email account. Alright, don't get confused because I shared earlier that you should send 50 emails per account and now I'm saying send 70 per email. Let me clear it for you. 50 is when you only send campaign emails and 70 is when warm-up is running along with the campaign emails. It is due to the reason that if we only send campaign emails that sound almost similar, sometimes the email spam detectors may flag it and send it to the spam folder. But when warm-up is also running along with this, they can't catch it.
You didn't have to cut me off.
After 3 months, emails will be in good health, so just turn the warm-up settings to weekends only. The reason is, on weekends, we don't send campaign emails and in between that time, those random warm-up emails are automatically sent. Again, Instantly offers this solution and I'm not sure about the other tools. I think Instantly.ai should sponsor me for talking about them since they provide quality service, really. Instantly, I am open for sponsorships.
You made a great decision to join us, and we're thrilled to have you on board.
So these are the issues that you might face. So I'm mentioning a few of them and their reasons. Issue number 1, low open rate. The reason could be the emails are being flagged due to the subject line or the email address. So issue number 2, low response rate. The reason could be there is an issue with your value proposition, so it's time to improve your email copy. Now, issue number 3, that is you are getting negative responses. Issue number 4, every prospect is asking for money. Issue number 5, low conversion rate. The reason for the issue number 3, 4, and 5 is when there is an issue either with your prospect list or your email copy, and could be both. My friend BB says, when shit isn't working, start tweaking. So if the plan doesn't work, change the plan, never the goal. Go ahead and make those changes based on the reasons I explained. So now you know how to set up your accounts and send those emails. In the next video, I'm going to share how to actually evaluate the quality of the links. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video of link building the right way series. Thank you so much. Bye bye.